Welcome to Skill Development Institute, Bhubaneswar, a flagship project of the Oil and Gas PSUs, proudly managed by Indian Oil. Established as a not-for-profit society, SDI Bhubaneswar is dedicated to scaling youth, enhancing livelihoods. Our mission is clear: to empower unemployed and underprivileged youth with the skills they need for a brighter future. Our mission rests on 5 fundamental pillars: best-in-class infrastructure that raises the bar for skill training, real-world learning in industry-relevant labs, quality training at affordable fees to make skilling accessible, 4 personal growth through holistic learning experiences, and the power to unlock career potential with excellent placement support. Alongside youth training, SDI Bhubaneswar also hosts corporate training programs, engineering internships, and workshops for trainers, maximizing our facilities for community growth. SDI Bhubaneswar partners with global industry leaders, offering specialized centers of excellence with advanced equipment and resources. In collaboration with Schneider Electric, we've set up comprehensive labs, including Building and Home Automation Lab, Industrial Automation Lab, Building Management System Lab, Home and Building Installation Lab, Assembly Line and Industry 4.0 Lab, Power Quality and Medium Voltage Lab, Industrial Installation Controls and Drives Lab, CADA Lab, CV Charging Stations, and Solar Labs. Through these facilities, we offer programs like Advanced Diploma in Automation, Building Automation Specialist, Energy Management Specialist, and Solar PV Installer, preparing students for roles in today's high-tech industries. With Siemens, SDI Bhubaneswar has established state-of-the-art labs that include design and validation using Siemens NX CAD software, advanced manufacturing using Teamcenter and Technomatics software, test and optimization SimCenter, Star CCM and NX Nastran software, process instrumentation Cymatic PC7, IoT, MindSphere software and Mendix platform, CNC controller, Numeric 808D and 840D controllers for milling and turning, CNC machining, turning center and 3-axis vertical milling machine, and robotics labs featuring pick and place cell and MIG welding cell. These labs support specialized programs like Designer Mechanical, Advanced Manufacturing, CAE Design and Analysis, CNC Programmer, Industrial Robotics, and more. Our collaboration with Kempi, the Finnish arc welding leader, has led to a world-class welding center of excellence. This lab includes advanced equipment such as robotic MIG MAG welding machines with KUKA robots, IoT-based MIG MAG welding machines, submerged arc welding machines with Carriage. Here, we offer the industrial welding course, and this lab serves as an assessment center for skill competitions. Tata Strive brings its expertise in skill training with the Hospitality COE, offering courses like Commerce Chef, Food and Beverage Service, and Trainee Chef and Bakery. Additionally, through our partnership with NSDC, we've launched the Skill India Center at SDI Bhubaneswar, which includes media and entertainment and HVAC centers of excellence, offering courses like digital photographer, graphic designer, HVAC technician, video and sound editing. At SDI Bhubaneswar, our course offerings are extensive. Alongside advanced programs, we also provide essential skills training through partnerships with NTTF, with courses such as CRM Domestic, Voice and Non-Voice, Fitter Fabrication, Industrial Electrician, Industrial Welder, Pipe Fitter, CGD, Plumber General, and Technician Instrumentation. With a 92% placement rate across our 28 courses, we are dedicated to preparing students for promising careers in diverse industries. Listen to what our students have to say about their journey at SDI Bhubaneswar.
मैं हूँ गगनदीप कौर, मैं उड़ीसा केवंझर से हूँ। मेरा 18 ईयर्स ओल्ड हो रहा है। मैं कतरिया होटल पे जॉब करती हूँ, रिसेप्शन पे। SDI से भुवनेश्वर से मैंने 3 मंथ का FMB कोर्स किया था। आज हम लोग जो भी है, आज हम बहुत सारे बच्चे यहाँ पे काम करते हैं, तो हम STI के वजह से आए हैं. सो थैंक यू सो मच STI.
My name is Bhagyashree. Basically, I'm from Odisha, Jagatsinghpur. CRM course at STI Bhubaneswar. I just joined the course. When I joined the course, at that time I know that they don't teach us that not only the course basis, but also they teaches us your inner code. All the faculty members and the staffs are so good. They help us whenever you need any help. They are for you. So while I'm continuing my CRM course, at that time I got a placement in Vyapara Bangalore as a customer support executive. I'm thankful to STI for giving a best job and giving the best opportunity. Thank you so much STI.
आई एम विश्वरंजन स्वाइन. जब मेरा डिप्लोमा खत्म हुआ, मैं अपने कैरियर को लेकर बहुत परेशान था. एसटीआई में ज्वाइन करने के बाद हमको वहाँ पे ट्रेनिंग मिला 6 महीने का, जो कि स्नाइडर की तरफ से ट्रेनिंग दिया गया था हमको. स्नाइडर में मैं लिया बिल्डिंग ऑटोमेशन स्पेशलिस्ट नाम का एक कोर्स किया. जो कुछ हमको सिखाए थे उसी के वजह से मेरा इंटरव्यू क्वालिफाई किया, और जॉब करने के बाद वहाँ पे मैं अभी सपोर्ट ट्रेनिंग इंजीनियर के हिसाब से काम कर रहा हूँ.
मेरा नाम सूर्यकांत स्वाई है. मैं कटक ओडिशा से हूँ. मेरा क्वालिफिकेशन डिप्लोमा मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग. डिप्लोमा के बाद मैं स्किल डेवलपमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट भुवनेश्वर में सीमेंस यूई में सीएंस प्रोग्राम में कोर्स किया था. तो कोर्स में मेरे को अच्छा प्रैक्टिकल मिलना, अच्छा कम्युनिकेशन स्किल डेवलप हुआ, जिसकी वजह से मैं आज दुबई इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट अंदर सीमेंट्स लॉजिस्टिक में काम कर रहा हूँ. थैंक यू.
Join Skill Development Institute, Bhubaneswar, and be part of a transformative journey. Together, let's unlock the potential and shape a brighter future of underprivileged and unemployed youth of the country.
नमस्कार,